Okay, so let's talk about our dimensions here. We have to go in and fix them, that's fine. So what we got here is working plan view. I do everything in a working plan view. I build the whole house in the working plan view. Then I go back in and I switch it to whatever view I need, and then I send it to layout. So I build the house in here, and I put in dimensions and details, and then I send it to layout on whatever view I need. So here on the working plan view, our dimensions are set to active defaults. Let's say we want to change that. So what we need to do is we're going to edit our active view, go to selected defaults. You see here it's a 1/4 inch scale. Dimensions for here are 1/4 inch scale. You want to create a new one, new dimension default. We're going to put working plan view dimension. Okay. Come in here, make sure all this is right. Smallest fractions 1 to 1. Units are already set. That's secondary format. So this is the primary. It's inches and feet and inches. Here you can tell it where to locate the objects if you want it to locate in the middle and the sides. Locate elevation. You can tell it where you want it to locate it on the elevation page. Extensions. What layer it's on. So this is on dimensions manual. So we can change this. What we can do is put define, copy. We're going to create working plan layer. What we can put, and then everything will be on that working plan layer. So we'll leave that on for now. We're going to have to turn it off on the other ones. Okay. You can change our arrow and then the text style 4 inches. You can also change how big your text is in here and all that. I go into the edit. You can change this to 6, 4, whatever you want. I believe this one is 6. No. Your callouts, your markers, everything in here. Your arrows, 4 inches. Your notes come in. Your level line, your marker, how big it is, your revision cloud. So all this goes on the working layer set. CAD default is the CAD default layer for this. So we can change that, and I probably will change that in the future. You hit OK. So now probably what happened, oh, it did not come over. That's good. Floor plan view shell. Good. We have all these. Some of these we don't use, but I kept them in case we use them in the future. Sometimes this kitchen and bath can come in handy. Alright, so there's nothing else. Good. So these are my working plan layer dimensions. All these now, from here on out, when I put in dimensions on the working plan, they'll be on that view. So let's go ahead and erase these. Let's draw one from here to here. What's that? Now that one probably is going to be on the other layers. Well, maybe not. Yeah, see, there it is. So what we need to do is just go to this layer now, go O, working plan layer, turn it off. Plan view. Actually, want to change that name of that working plan layer dimension tool. Just make sure they're not on any of the layers. Yeah, see, here it is. Turn that off. See, kitchen and bath view, nothing, nothing. All right, good. So we have that. Now, saved. What I need to do though, let's change the name of it. Let's define this, and let's rename it working plan. Let's call it dimensions. Working plan layer. Hit OK. All right, and then hit OK, and we're good. So we have that there. Let's go to our electrical plan view. This should have just an electrical dimension, but let's double check. We go in here to edit, to view. This is floor is the foundation floor, which is where we're at. Okay, and then the electrical annotations. So these are all the annotations. This is the annotation set for this set. All this is going to fall under electrical annotations. So anytime you do an electrical plan, this is the default. Electrical notes, electrical markers. You can come in here and change all of this however you want it. See, this is on 1/16. You can change that to 1:1. Again, where everything is, where it's going to pick up the locations when it picks up a dimension. That's fine, we want that, because that's the layer that it's going to be on. And let's change the tick. There, let's go here, let's pick that, hit OK. Electrical layer set, that's what we want. Let's check these arrows. 4-inch, perfect, hit OK. Floor plan, let's check these. Come here, check it. Floors on the foundation. So this is 1/4-inch scale annotations. So what we want to do is we're going to change this. I'm going to edit it. Actually, we're going to add a new. I'm going to call this dimensions floor plan. Okay. Now when we come in here, we copied it, so everything should be the same. Should be fine. Layer. We're going to change this. Define. And we're going to copy that set. Actually, there should be a floor plan layer on here. Let's see. Let's put it on here. Hit OK. So now we're moving it to that layer. That's where it's going to sit. Arrow is fine. We hit OK. That is that. Hit OK. Floor plan view shell, which we barely use. But let's go ahead and set it up, because we could use this for something else in the future. So we're going to put, we could use this as a furniture set. Let's see if I have a furniture set. Or we could just leave this one. Yeah. Okay, so let's use this for furniture. So what we can do is come in here, edit, active view. going to do is put new dimension. Okay. The 1. That's fine. Arrow. Good. Let's check the text. Good. Okay. And let's see what my rich text is on here. 4 inches. That's good. Let's see what my call out is. 4 inches. Perfect. That's what I want. It's fine. We can leave that as is. I have to rename it later. Hit OK. That's my foundation plan view. All right, foundation plan dimensions. That's fine. All of this I've already set. Hit OK. We don't typically use this layer. It's still here, so let's fix it. Let's see, 1 to 1. Okay. Let's go pink. Okay. All this should be fine. Yep. I want to check one thing on this one. Let's make sure that all this is correct. Yeah. Yep. No, let's change the tick. Change to that. Okay. Notes are fine. Arrows are fine. Markers, see, those markers are way too big. Let's change that to 4. Okay. Let's check our rich text. 4, that's good. That's pretty much everything we're going to use. Hit OK. We already did this one. Floor plan view. Foundation. Framing annotations for the floor plan. So this is for the framing. So in here, we're going to have to fix this 1 to 1. Dimensions layer frame 4, that's fine. Change the tick. You get the idea. I mean, it's the same thing over and over again. I'm just doing it. So for the repetition, get that. Let's check the rich text. It's at 6. Let's change it to 4. Hit OK. That's fine. Callouts. Let's check our callouts. Those are good. Our markers at 4. Perfect. Notes are fine. 4 inch. Okay, cool. That one's done. Next, roof plan. So here, framing roof plan. See, I might not have walls. We gotta double check. Oh, I do have walls. Good. Okay. Framing roof plan view. And in here, you can turn on and off whatever layers you need. Framing roof plan view, let's go ahead and edit it. One to one. That's fine. Okay. Rich text, it's 4-inch. These are usually all good. Callouts, fine. My markers are 4 inches. Let's check my arrows. My arrows are 4. Good. Next. Okay. This is my HVAC. We can go up a story. It makes more sense. Come up here. It's my HVAC view, which probably doesn't have anything changed because we haven't used it yet. Dimensions, probably going to be on 16ths. Yep. Let's change that to 1. Let's go to the arrow. Change it to that. That's fine. All right, let's check our rich text. Let's change that to 4. Okay. Let's check our arrows. They're 4. Our notes. Good. Markers are at 4. Okay. Done there. Okay, these. Yeah, I leave all this in inches. I don't typically mess with this. Let's see. 1/16. Because we can leave it a 1 to 1. That's fine. No, yeah, let's go 1 to 1. That's fine. No, let's go 1/16. Because this is for cabinets. And everything is not in the, it's not by feet anymore. It's all inches in cabinets. Layer, arrow, get tick, style. We got 2-inch arrow, that's fine. It's all good. Let's just leave that as is. Plan view, see what we got. One to one. Okay. I already did that one. Rich text. I don't even know why we would use this, but let's go ahead and fix it. 4. Marker's probably huge. Yep. 4. Okay. Roof plan view. Roof annotations. 1 to 1. Let's change the arrow. Change this to 4. Hit OK. That's fine. That's fine. Hit OK. And that's that. Let's go ahead. I'm going to erase all of this. Delete. Delete. And delete. And now I shouldn't have anything in here. No. I'm going to save this as a template. Let me see. Okay, yep. And in here, probably have a site plane in here somewhere. Nope. Okay, cool. What's this? Okay, yeah. See, I need to delete that. Delete. Yes. Everything else can stay. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to templates, save as template, leave everything on, set template as default. Okay. (131, 20, 21 template. And I'll send this out today. And that's that. So we went ahead and we changed all our views to the dimensions we want. So now we know how to do that if we need to do it on the fly. So everything's not always going to be perfect. Sometimes you have to go in here and you have to edit these views. In here is where you do it. All right. That is this lesson. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day. Bye.